huge projects don't just happen. It's not waving a wand. It's not saying, I have an idea, and then the idea takes place. Like the beam, projects take huge support.
And I think what's so exciting about this new renovation is that the facilities will now match the high quality of coaching and instruction that we as students receive. I think it's going to just be such a fantastic facility for students to feel like, wow, our school is really behind us and wants to prepare us very well as advocates.
You know, this law school means so much to me. It was a truly, truly great experience to go to law school here, and I have truly great friends from this law school.